Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time not go by so fast. To begin, focus on mindfulness. By truly engaging with your present surroundings, you can stretch your perception of time. Pay close attention to the sights, sounds, and feelings around you. This practice helps you savor experiences, making them feel richer and longer. It's about quality over speed. Next, introduce novelty into your life. When you experience new things, your brain creates more memories, making time feel more expansive. Try a new hobby, visit a different part of your city, or learn a new skill. Breaking free from routine helps prevent days from blending together, giving each one a unique feel and making your overall experience of time feel longer. Another powerful technique is to actively reflect on your experiences. Taking time to recall events from your day or week helps consolidate memories. When you have a strong collection of distinct memories, your past feels longer and more substantial. Journaling or simply thinking back on your day can make a significant difference in how you perceive the passage of time. Finally, prioritize what truly matters to you. When you fill your time with activities that are significant and engaging, you're more present and less likely to feel time slipping away. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. By being intentional with your time, you can create a life that feels full and rich, making each moment count.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.